Hello and welcome back to another episode. In this episode we're going to lift up and replace some tiles that have come off. You can hear that they're a bit hollow compared to the ones that are down okay. So it's all these ones across here. We've all got to be restuck back down and regrouted. So I started pulling up the tiles. They're literally like just lifting off. The building company said it's because the concreters didn't use expansion joint between the concrete and the tiles there. But you can clearly see the tiles don't even have glue on, probably 2/3 of them. So we've taken all the tiles off and cleaned it all up, given it a bit of a grind, got all the grout off, given it all a clean. Next we'll put some mortar along this edge where this timber is and some tiled adhesives, and we'll stick them all back down. Once that's dried, we'll then go through and put some new grout through. So the tiles are back on, you can see. So we've just got a silicone around the edge and put some grout in. So we used like an adhesive mortar across there and then stuck them on with this all-purpose adhesive. So we've just finished off doing all the grout, so you can see now it's all finished. Just scan along, and then the edge is all done. That's the grout I used. And then just go get rid of that hollow sound. They're all stuck down. It's come up really good.